Hey howdy, hey y'all. Happy Mask Monday. Today I am going to be doing this Intensive Eye Collagen Under Eye Pad Anti-Wrinkle Serum. This was gifted to me by Linda from Mature Sass. I've had it for quite a while and my under eyes feel like they're needing a little bit of attention. I don't want to do a full mask because as you can see I got something going on right here. Might have something to do with something new I've added to my skincare. We'll see. So, through the magic of video, the eye pads will magically appear. I like these. They're like a sheet mask. They're very thin. Very, very goopy. I don't know if you can see all of the serum on the packaging. So today we're going to do several things. I have a Macys box that I had a very hard time getting into. And I have some friend mail. So let's quickly do the Macys box. This is my May box and this is the very first Macys box that I have ever gotten that I was not impressed with. Tiny little package this time. I believe this is the very first time that I have gotten a box that just had samples in it. Normally I get a full-size product. Not that that's a huge deal, but it was just a little surprising to me. So this won't take long to go through, and I believe everything in here is all Laura Mercier. We have Nourishing Rose Oil. Little teeny tiny sample of rose oil. Supposed to infuse the skin with super oils to instantly soothe and add moisture. Then we have some powder. Do you know how hard it's going to be to use that? Well, I have my little bowl that I can put it in. This is translucent loose setting powder. The iconic setting powder, it says. We have illuminating eye cream. Little sample of that. We have the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. A little sample of that. Then we have, if I can read it, Caviar Stick Eye Color. It's a little bitty eye crayon. It's a pretty color. And then I believe that this is a lipstick. Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. And that's what that looks like. It's a pretty color. So that's my Macys box. I mean, it is nice to be able to try all of the products, but like I said, I'm used to getting a full-size, at least a couple of full-size products. But I mean, you know, that's enough lipstick to try. Friend mail. Some of this I've had for a little while. Some of it I just got. Some of it I haven't opened. Some of it I have. It's a mishmash of stuff. I have two cards here, and both of them are from Sisfantastic Lori Latimer. The first card, it's got a pretty cross on it. I know the lighting is in here bright. It's natural daylight, y'all. And it is full of Easter confetti. She sent this to me in April, and it was a little thank you card because I sent her some primer and I threw a bracelet and some other little goodies in there. So thank you, Laurie, for the thank you card and all the cute little Easter confetti. And then just a couple of days ago I got another card from her that says hi, and it has some little confetti in it too. I love that little smiley face. Look at the pretty little smiley face. It says, hi Leanna, just a little love to make you smile. I appreciate you and the wonderful human being that you are. You're special to me. Thank you, love always, Laurie. I love the primer you gave me. It works very well with the ABH foundation, which has an illuminating finish, which is great for dry skin. Thank you. And she put a dragonfly in there, and that was what she sent me, the original thank you card. So I got two thank you cards out of that little gift. I did good. Thank you so much, Laurie. Both of your cards definitely put a smile on my face, and I appreciate you just as much as you appreciate me. And then I got some friend mail. Look, it even says it, friend mail, and I have not opened this at all. I'm sure she's wondering, what the heck? When did I get this? April 25th is when she mailed it to me. So I've had it for a little while. And this is from Kim at Kimmy's Boxes. I kind of sort of know what's in here because I had sent her, it was funny, she sent me something and I had sent her something at the same time, so they kind of crossed paths. And she was like, oh my god, I only sent you a key ring. So I'm guessing that there's a key ring in here, and I don't know what else. Oh look, there's a card and a mask. I don't see a key ring. She sent me a lace mask from Spa Life, rosewater infused hydrogel lace mask, and I have seen her and a couple other people use these and they're so pretty, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then a card. Look at all the pretty butterflies. How pretty that is. I love that. And sure enough, there's a keychain and her famous little rose. It says, hey boo, I saw this and thought of you, of course, LOL, thank you for being you. Love, Kim. There's her famous rose, and look at the pretty dragonfly keychain she sent me. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. Thank you so much, Kim. I love that. Y'all know me and my dragonflies. And then I have this box that has positive energy and stay groovy, and it's all good. All the positive juju hippie stuff. Oh. And then there's a kitty cat riding a bicycle and a happy bracelet. And there's another kitty cat and more kitty cats, because dragonflies and kitty cats, that's how I roll. This box is from Andy at Andy Does Stuff, and I know y'all all know who Andy is. The inside of the box says hola. For those of you that don't know, that's Spanish for hello, because Andy and I can speak Spanish, in case y'all didn't know that. I had already opened this because she told me I could open it before and decide whether I wanted to do a video or not, and I figured, you know, these people like to make me cry, so I better open it and see what's going on. Here's my card with the pretty shoe on it. And it says, hey Louise, now don't you dare cry. I'm not. What kind of makeup do you give the woman that has all the makeup? Not makeup. I wanted to get you something special. You are such an amazing friend, and I love you to the moon, Andy. Thank you so much, Andy. I love you to the moon as well. Andy gave me a keychain. Looky there. It looks familiar. Oh, you know what? I can make some earrings with these, y'all. Ooh, those would be pretty earrings. I'm doing it. I'm either doing earrings or some wind chimes. I don't know, but I love them. I don't care that I have two. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you, Andy and Kim. And then Andy did send me some earrings. I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I love my earrings. I love, love, love earrings. It's one of the things that I kind of sort of collect. And look at how pretty these are. Look at how pretty those earrings are. I love them. I love the colors. And it looks like a piece of art, almost like watercolor. I love them. Love them. Thank you, Andy. Andy got me some cards with dragonflies on it. It says a little note. They're just little cards. Ooh, see that? For me to use when I send out friend mail or send out giveaways. I love those. They're so pretty. I love the colors. I love the art on them. They're amazing. Love those. They came with the envelopes too, and they were all packaged up. I took them out and I wasn't going to put them back in just to show y'all. And then she sent me this notepad with dragonflies on it, stationery, and my name. How awesome is that? I love the dragonflies. So, so pretty. That will go so well with the cards. And then she sent me the most amazing thing. She sent me a wax seal stamp, and I had looked, I can't tell you how long I had looked and looked and looked, because I love stationery and wax seals and all of that stuff, and I had looked forever and a day for a dragonfly wax seal stamp. I don't know where she found it. I don't even know how she knew that that was something that I was into. I'm just blown away. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. And along with that, because if you've been here a while, you know my favorite color is purple. She sent me these purple lavender wax seal sticks, and you can actually put these in a hot glue gun, which I thought was really cool. I love that. I love it. So thank you so much, Andy, for all the wonderful dragonfly stuff. And Kim, I am serious. I'm going to make a set of earrings out of those keychains, because I do that too. I have lots of stuff to make jewelry with because I make jewelry. And I love my mask. And I love the thank you cards from Sisfantastic, Laurie Latimer. And I'm really liking these under eye collagen under eye. They feel really good. It says to leave them on for 15 minutes, but I don't know. I don't know whether I'll leave them on or take them off. Like I said, these were given to me by Linda from Mature Sass. Everybody's channel will be linked down below and get linked down below in case you have been sleeping under a rock and don't know who any of these amazing people are. You can go check them out. Should I take them off, leave them on? Let's take them off so you can see. Did they do me any good? Did they help me out any? They really did feel good. Well, they didn't magically make the wrinkles go away, but I don't think there's anything that's going to do that, so I'll just keep on loving my wrinkles. It does feel nice and hydrated now. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful in any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.